Hello everyone, welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, November the 16th, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with a lot of puzzles. I believe 9 puzzles. I only do 5 of them, and in today's newspaper, the news, it's still not looking good. The numbers, it's still increasing. So maybe tomorrow it will drop. We will see. But first, um, we will solve this puzzle first. The numbers, the numbers of the infected people, yes, with corona, still increasing. This will be number 3689. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about interesting. Yeah. How about a 9 in this column? 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in the last row, so no 7 and a 3 in this box. The 7 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 3, let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. 6 is missing. Then. How about the number 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Then, three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And we have a pair, 6 and a 7 in this row. 6 and a 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 missing numbers in this row, the middle row, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. Then. How about 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, no need to place for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row, in this row, not the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and the 9. Alright. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. Okay. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and an 8 in this column. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, no need to place for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 place for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Alright. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5's are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? These 2 numbers, the missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Alright. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So the row be 3. The only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. Now we have 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku Medium, and I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Heavy, for the Medium, for the Light, for the Killer, for the Quintuplet. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And we will meet again later on in the evening for the rest of the puzzles. No, I will do 5 of them in the additional. Yes. Until then, bye bye for now.